on the flavors of Thailand, you try to get smart, you get innovative, and to some extent even greedy. But the end result is by far something new, something unique, yet with the core essence of Thailand. And that's my mango chicken curry with all the scents that Thailand brings. Let's get to creating it. The trick to this great Thai mango chicken curry is all in the sauce. The perfect blend of flavors, just blitzed up within a minute. So here I've got 4 Alfonso mangoes that I've peeled and roughly cut them, along with a little bit of the pulp because we squeeze out every last bit of that seedy goodness. Into that goes a tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 5 cloves of garlic finely minced, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric because you want that color to stand out, along with the juice of half a lime. And now comes all the essence of Thailand. So 5 lime leaves, just take out the center vein and put them in, along with a large stalk of lemongrass, about 2 inches, just roughly chopped. Thai ginger if you have it. If you don't have it, use regular ginger, a small 1/2-inch piece. And the heat comes together with these Thai bird-eye chilies. Be careful, it's spicy and you want to be pleasantly surprised. So 5 of them going in, along with 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of some fish sauce and about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And that's your sauce ready. All you need to do is blitz this baby up. Just blitz it to the smoothest possible paste. While this emulsion is sharp and strong, you need to take care to just ensure that you have the right blend of flavors, a right mix of sweet, a right mix of salty, a right mix of bitter, and not forgetting the heat that the spice blend brings. Pour it into a bowl and your sauce is ready, and now comes the part of just grilling your chicken. While this Thai mango chicken curry is slightly new age, slightly styled, the flavors need to burst with the essence of Thailand. So out here I've got nearly 600 grams of chicken leg boneless. We're just going to season it with some salt, some pepper, and give it a light dusting with some flour. So I've got nearly 1/2 cup of flour, which I'm going to dust this and just grill this in my cast iron. Half a cup of flour going in. Just slightly coat it or toss it or play around with it. We most definitely are going to cook this dish in layers. So into a cast iron, nice and hot, I'm going to use nearly about 30 to 40 mils of cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. And while that gets nice and hot, we're just going to take our seasoned chicken pieces and have them grilled. Minutes, you just turn it on the other side. You can get experimentative, allow it to just crisp up slightly or allow it to get nice and golden brown. The choice is totally up to you. I've allowed the chicken to get a slight golden color, and we're just going to remove this out and get to cooking batch number 2. While I did allow this to cook nearly 80% done, I want to ensure that the last mile cooks in that glorious mango-y gravy. So we take this out set it on the side and get to deglazing the pan in a very, very unique way. So out here I've got about 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, a chunk of lemongrass, some Thai ginger as well. And we're just going to saute this just to deglaze all that crumbly bits right at the base of my cast iron, with a splash of some rice vinegar. So this is totally optional. I'm using just about 20 mils of this into this, and we allow it to deglaze the pan and absorb all those gorgeous crumbs right below. Scrubbing all the last of that crumbly texture below, and while you've got it nice and caramelized as well, in goes the entire sauce emulsion. Now you need to cook this on the slowest possible flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Add a little water into the bowl and rinse it so that you do not waste any bit of that gorgeous mangoey flavor. A quick rinse and that goes in as well. As you allow this to simmer away, and based on the flavors that you enjoy or the thickness that you enjoy, add water accordingly. But what's a Thai curry without the infusion of that creamy coconut milk? So 200 mils of that going in. Allow it to simmer for another 4 to 5 minutes, and all you need to do is add in some vegetables, add in your chicken, and you have a decadent meal to enjoy. Simmering away, and what a summery burst of color. In goes the chicken just to cook for the last mile. Another 4 to 5 minutes. A quick stir. You want slight notes of some color coming through, and that comes together with some baby asparagus spears, beautifully blanched, just to break that saffrony yellow color, along with some baby pok choy. So basically I had just about 1 pok choy in, and I've added that right into this. A quick stir, and you need to garnish this gorgeous creation. With this Thai mango chicken curry ready, now is the time to garnish it. So you take some Kaffir lime, just bruise it with your fingers so that all the essential oils get released, and put them in. This allows it to steep and release all its flavor, and not forgetting an overload of some cilantro, just roughly chopped. Switch off the flame, a quick stir, and you're ready to enjoy this with some perfect bowls of steaming, piping hot rice. Readily available ingredients, easy flavors to work with. Your midweek lunch, or rather a Sunday brunch, is going to come alive for the entire family with this simple yet stylish Thai mango and chicken curry. The flavors take you bang into Thailand, but at the same time this dish is so versatile. Dump the chicken, add in some shrimps, take them off, add in some vegetables, and create multiple versions of the same. Pair this always just with some steamed rice for a decadent meal. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.